gave to me. When I thought the field had cleared.
Today you are going to learn one of my favorite pop songs. This is 7 Days by Sting. "7 Days" is a song released in the album 10 Summoner's Tales. The drummer that created these great grooves is Vinnie Colaiuta. Vinnie is considered one of the best drummers of all time. His performance in 7 Days is very well known by the subtle nuances and great grooves. I'm going to teach you in this video how I have adapted on the cajon the grooves of the verse and chorus of the song. The grooves you are going to learn here are not complicated patterns, but it can be a bit difficult at the beginning if you are not used to odd time signatures, like this song that is played in 5/4 instead of the conventional 4/4 time signature. I suggest to you, and I think it will be easier if you follow the lesson with the notation of the grooves available for free in the description below. Before going to the lesson, please do me a favor. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you didn't already. Time to learn 7 Days. Let's get started. As I have mentioned before, the song has an odd time signature that is in 5/4. You count like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's start with the groove of the verse that goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
She gave to me. She gave to me.
Now it's slow at 60 BPM, counting like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
When I thought the field had cleared, it seems another suit appeared to challenge me.
Now the groove of the chorus that has an extra bass accent on the two ends of the bar.
Monday, I couldn't wait till Tuesday. If I make up my mind, Wednesday would be fine. Thursday's on my mind.
Now let's take it slow, 60 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's it. Now you have a 5/4 time signature groove to practice. Please take your time with the exercise and start slow before trying it with the song. As you can see, this is a different time signature and can be new for you. It's important to start slow to internalize and feel the different pulse. And don't forget to get the free notation of this lesson in the description below. It will help you a lot in your practice. And if you want to learn how to play the cajon, I would like to invite you to join my online cajon school at cajonmaster.com. There will be lessons, courses, articles, everything about cajon. So go there now and join for free. And again, thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you are having a lot of fun playing the cajon. This is the most important. Take care and I will see you soon.
7 days was all she wrote. Kind of ultimatum, no. She gave to me. She gave to me. When I thought the field had cleared, it seems that